A very good morning to all of you. I, Alita Agustin from 6th B, is here to tell you about my role as a social reformer. It is said you are never too young to change the world. I, being a 6th standard girl, doesn't know much problems of this world. But yes, I have noticed something in our day-to-day life which I think needs a change. Mahatma Gandhi said, "Be the change you want to see in this world." If there is anything I want to change in me, is fear. I'm sure each and every one of us in this world have a fear in us. Different people, different fears. The only way to overcome this fear is to do what we fear continuously. And fear disappears. Fear is never a reason for quitting. It is only an excuse. We have fear of failure because we are more conscious about being judgmental by others. How many of us come out of our house dressed up well to feel good for ourselves? I'm sure hardly few. Nowadays, we try to dress up like actresses, wearing the least clothes. We have forgotten that we wear clothes to cover our body, and actresses are paid for whatever they wear. I think it is very important to be an example to others, showing the importance of wearing modest clothes from their very childhood. I just want to say be modest, not because I think that I am responsible for others' sin. It means I'm so confident that I don't need to reveal my body to the world, but I'd rather reveal my mind. Modesty is more than a fashion statement. It's a daily decision to dress like the child of God. I, as a Christian, is called to maintain purity and dignity in the way we dress that points others to Christ. Social reformer is a person who plans or makes a change in system, law or organization, etc. to make it more modern. My social reform is against the myths of this world, like tit for tat. If you are to do the same thing that a person did to you, then what's the difference between you and that person? And it is also said that everything is fair in love and war. How can everything be fair in love? Then that's not love, for sure. I am standing here to tell the world about love, forgiveness and righteousness that can change a person's character. Because social reformers for education, women's rights, caste discrimination, etc. we had and we still have. I cannot take some forgiveness or love in hand and pour into others' heart. But yes, I can forgive, love and be righteous to the world around me. Maybe someone someday will feel that they can also be loving and forgiving souls to others too. My role as a social reformer is very difficult, but not impossible. Prayers can do wonders. So praying, may God change this world and people in it to be a better human being. Thank you.